Would you believe it? The Gold Rush event is back. Now, of course, you can get some gold out of it. I did do an attack and won 400 of that gold. So, it's a pretty good thing, you know, you can get some free stuff. I mean, free gold out of it. So, it's a pretty good thing. So, as usual, you'll be using my favorite deck, the Witch Prince deck, which is a really great combo. You can just time these guys really right in. Then you can get that, all those towers down pretty much. So, we'll just try this deck out. It is really good. So we'll just get into the first attack over here. Of course, I can do around 4,600 more because 5,000 apparently is the daily cap for me. Anything more than 5,000 of gold I make will not be considered. So, okay, that's a pretty bad thing. You shouldn't actually, put the bats, of course. So, we are going to be dropping in the Witch, and we're going to get ready by dropping in this one. So, we are going to be zapping it, this one. God damn it, stay there, stay there, stay there. No. No, okay. The giant skeleton is down. Well, okay. We're pretty good. So I need to make sure that this one actually does lock onto that one, because otherwise we might as well be in some trouble. So the ghost is going to move away from there. And, he's gonna die. Okay, the magic visit. Oh, god damn it, man. This is absolutely horrible. I should have dropped in this one. Oh my goodness, I'm gonna get paid for that. I'm gonna zap it. No! Oh, please, no. A perfect timing, and the tower is taken down all by itself. Would you believe it? I'm gonna pay this guy right over here to the core. You're gonna see how. Let's just wait for a few seconds because I'm not happy with that. So I'm gonna go in on the same side of the thing. I don't know what counters does this guy have. So he had, I don't know what he had. So I'm gonna go on to the other side. I probably don't want to go on the other side. I'll probably start over with a fresh one. Oh god damn it, there he comes again. So I need to drop in this one. That was the real big culprit, you know. He's gonna drop in something like this. I definitely would have known. And it's not working out over here. So the Witch here is doing some great stuff, but then the Magic Archer comes in, and he's doing some horrible stuff as well. So I don't think I actually have to drop in the, okay, so I have to be really quick with this, because he's gonna drop in the balloon or something like that. So now that's pretty much something he's gonna think about. So I'm gonna drop in this one, and it's not, oh my goodness, the Magic Archer is doing in some damage over there on the other side. So I'm gonna drop in the Prince over here, and then I'm gonna get ready with my, this one, and he's gonna drop in the Skeleton Army, of course. No, he's not, which is really nice for me, but god damn it, he actually does counter that with the giant skeleton. Man, this guy isn't letting me do any stuff at all, apparently, which I'm not liking at all. So I'm gonna drop in this one and this one, and it's not gonna work the free spell, of course, this time. No, it's not. No, it's not. Oh my goodness, that was close, wasn't it? So I'm just gonna leave these guys do the stuff, and I'm gonna zap this. God damn it, no! Okay, so the ghost over there on the other side is doing in some stuff. Good ghost, good ghost. So the ghost is doing in some stuff apparently there on the other side. 8 more seconds, 8 more seconds. Okay, the tower is taken down. Did you believe it? How close for a battle was this? He did freeze it, but then it didn't work. So I'm gonna go on this side really strong. Hopefully he doesn't put in this one. He does put it. God damn it, I hate you, man. Absolutely hate you for this reason. So the Prince is gonna die as well. Maybe not. He's awesome. I love him for this reason. So dropping in this, I'm quite sure this balloon is gonna come in. There it is, and we're gonna drop in everything we got. We're gonna freeze this one. Zap this one as well. So, oh my goodness, this was a really close battle. So we did lose up some elixir over there, which is really good for us. No, no, no. Okay, he's doing it, pretty much this guy, and we need to go in over here. I don't want him to build up elixir. That should be a pretty bad thing for me. So I'm gonna go in really strong on this guy, and god damn it, the lumberjacky is not having elixir. I probably can sense that. 14 more seconds, would you believe it? Oh god damn it, this freeze is definitely the big culprit over here. We need to rocket this. No, we probably will just take over with the freeze. God damn it, this is really close. I can't believe we actually got that. Well played, man. That's what you call is a good deck. We can actually get the most out of it when nothing is with you, but the opponent is having all the lead, but then you actually get the win. At least a draw in our case. So we're gonna get into the second attack, and I really want to crack this open and get the second victory. So enjoy start 2. Okay. We probably will do that. So, dropping in this, there you go. I need to drop in this. I need to zap it, and okay, so these guys are not doing it. Okay, so the Mega Minion is taken down, of course. He is not a big threat when the Prince is around. So he's gonna probably counter it, or he might be in trouble. Okay, that was a pretty good move, or he probably would have faced that heat over there. Pretty much, that piercing stuff from this Prince's man. I mean the Prince. I just absolutely love it. So, okay, so this guy, I absolutely hate him for a reason. He actually does slow everything down, so he's gonna get a damage done on that tower. Ugh, damn it, I hit him. So, he has the Mega Knight, so we need to be careful about that. So we need to make sure that the opponent is not having much of an elixir. So I'm just gonna drop in this one, Inferno Dragon, and I'm just gonna wait because he has enough elixir to put in the Mega Knight. So that wouldn't be a really great move from us to actually drop in that. So I'm gonna just rocket this. The rocket should probably take down that Bandit, and zapping this would probably mean that we're gonna get some damage done from that Inferno Dragon, at least a few of it. Yes, there you go. So we're gonna drop this in, and the tower is gonna help us do some stuff there. The Fire Spirits are actually going to do some stuff over here, which is really nice. So it's not working apparently for the opponent, you can see, and that's because of this Prince. He is awesome for a reason. And if he doesn't, okay. Well, he is of course scared about it, which I really like. I don't think anyone is not scared about the what is it? The Prince? Is he the Prince? I guess he is a Prince. Yes, he is. Okay, so we need to back up some skeletons before everything goes wrong. So hopefully he's not having the zap. He's not, which is really nice. So we need to go in with our strategy here. The Prince is coming into the party, and he will probably do it this time. Oh no, he's not. He's not. He's not gonna do it. How horrible is that to listen to? So we're gonna zap everyone down. Okay, that was pretty good. So we're probably in the lead. You can probably guess why, because okay, there comes the big guy. There comes the huge threat for us. So okay, so there it is, the Inferno Dragon, which is doing some stuff to our tower. I mean, not to our tower, to our little skeletons, which is really sad. So we're gonna probably be ready with this, and I don't want anyone in my way. God damn it again! There it is. We're going to put in some more troops over here, and the ghost should probably be awake. Yes, he is, and we're gonna get some damage done to that. The Electro Wizard will be taken down in a few seconds right now. Please, Electro Dragon. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Not the Electro Dragon, the Electro Wizard. How about him being dead over there? So 900 more. I can probably cycle this out and get that tower taken down. Hopefully, please tell me that's happening, and I'll really hate you. I mean, I really love you. So, this one isn't probably a big threat for us right now. So we're gonna just zap this, and he's taken down, which is really nice. So we're gonna put in the Ghost. We are gonna get ready with our Elixir to just fill up, which is pretty much all we need right now. And the Ghost is moving on, which I don't like. No, Ghost. You should be attacking the tower, goddammit. Okay, so the tower is taken down, of course, at this point, I'm pretty sure. Please don't tell me the tower is not taken down. Well played. We probably are gonna get a victory. And 67,400 for one tower. Would you believe it? That's awesome. So, well played. The Mega Knight is gonna get a buff, of course. If you didn't go through the new balance update, he is going through the buff there. So he's probably gonna get a few more. He's gonna probably work much better with one-on-one troops. That's something I really like to see with the Mega Knight. So yeah, this is a deck I probably will recommend you to try with the Gold Rush event. You probably will be getting it so easily. You see, 2 attacks plus 1 before. 1,200. This is pretty easy, and yeah, thank you so much for watching till the very end. Hopefully you enjoyed, and do leave a like if you enjoyed this video, and make sure to subscribe, and I'll be seeing you the next time. Until then, goodbye.